Hey guys, it's Danish from Local Niche Marketing. And in this video, what we are going to cover is the chat widget installation, types of chat widgets, and the automations that we can use in order to engage with the customer, right? So, first thing, let's just discuss how many types of chat widgets are there when you're trying to create a chat widget, right? There is all-in-one chat, SMS and email chat, live chat, Facebook and Instagram chat, and WhatsApp chat, right? So uh, we we are going to cover each of them later in the video, but let's just first discuss what we are going to cover, right? We are going to create a live chat because um, for all-in-one chat we should have WhatsApp integrated, voice AI enabled, and other stuff as well. So we will just stick to live chat, set up workflows for staff notification, and the same stuff that we do actually when a lead comes in, right? It's essentially a lead, so we will do the same with the chat widget as well, and also add a tag. So first thing first, how you can install a chat widget on your website. So you'll come here under the sites. Let me just remove myself. Under the sites, if you click on the chat widget here, you'll see there is a chat widget that you can create by clicking on new, right? So here it is. So these are all different types of chat widgets. By far the best one is all in one chat because it covers all the channels for any business. So if you are available on WhatsApp, if you want to be available on live chat, email, Facebook, Instagram, voice AI. So this could do everything for your business, and that is a great option for your business. But it requires you to integrate WhatsApp. Um, Also requires you to set up voice AI and other stuff. Next one is SMS and email chat. If your team is not available 24/7, then it's great. Like they can send you an email, an SMS, and you can send a response to them. Hey, our business hours are this from this to this. So we will get back to you at 9 a.m. EST, right? Then comes the live chat, which we are going to cover in this video very thoroughly. Then cover that live chat is basically a chat available on your website if you are using conversational AI, then this could be a really great option for enhancing your customer engagement and also the conversion rates because it's a real-time communication being handled by a bot, right? Then there is the Facebook chat, where the lead is messaging on your Facebook Messenger, and this can be enabled as well. The same goes for the Instagram chat and WhatsApp. For WhatsApp, you need to integrate WhatsApp. There are additional charges of, I think, $29. But again, if you have a greater visibility on WhatsApp chat, it's a great option. So it all depends on your business. That from like um, there are certain businesses who attract a certain age group. For example, if we talk about chiropractors, so we know that the audience is from 30 to 60 plus, right? So it will be great if you can just stick to maybe SMS and email chat if you're not available 24/7, right? But there are other businesses like tattoo removal business, right? So in this scenario, your age group is below 30, more or less. So they can be using a lot of Facebook chat and Instagram chat. So it all depends on the audience of your business. But recommended one is all-in-one chat because it covers every channel, so you don't have to worry about which chat widget I am going to use for our website, right? So let's just create a live chat here. You can call it website chat. Okay, and then on the left hand side you'll see styles. Under styles, you can enable this thing or disable this message. It's up to your own taste. Then there is a chat icon, how you would like to it appear on your website. So, and then there is a theme to just match your brand colors. You can also uh, create your own if you want by doing the custom work, but let's just stick to green one, right? So this is the welcome message that will appear here. You can change it according to your own requirement. And this is the greeting message. When a returning user is visiting your site again, so it will be personalized, and it's a great experience to have for your chat widget, right? Now, then there is the icon. You want to replace it, you can replace it by clicking on this, and it will be replaced with the image that you have given, right? Now, next thing is the chat widget position. Do you want it on the right hand side? Do you want it on the left hand side on the top corner? So you can do it like this, and I like this one, and a lot of people are using this one, so this is more preferred one. Then the dimension, like auto, and then custom, you can decrease the chat widget width and height from here. Chat window, right? So there is the title. Have a question, enter your question below and a representative will get back to you. That is very generic. I this could be personalized according to your services, or if you are using conversational AI, you can um, give them options to type this and a certain workflow will trigger, and all the things will be handled by the conversational AI. Contact form information, it's good to have name, phone, and email as well, and any custom field that you want to add here. Then there is a redirect call to action, which is not necessarily a good option because it can break the conversational sequence that you are having with the lead. So I would not recommend using it. But if you want to use it, like if there is some type of urgency, like if you are an HVAC business, so you can redirect call to action. In case of, you can type in case of emergencies, book a call, book your appointment right now, and you can give a calendar link. Live chat assigned, it's a great thing. Like it will wait for 5 minutes. Under those 5 minutes, it is sending the message to the user like, hey, give us a minute to assign you to the best person to help you out. So the chat is actually not ended because the user or the lead is still waiting for the bot to give them the answer by assigning the best person. Then there's a 5 minutes uh, delay user inactivity, you can change it to 10 minutes, 5 minutes. After 2 minutes, it will say like, looks like no one is available, please leave the contact details, we will get back to you shortly. And this is how um, chat close after 2 minutes. You can do the changes according to your needs. Then there is a really great setup if you want to be available only for the business. You want to make your chatbot available only in the working hours. You can utilize this option by enabling this option. Additional options are, you can display your name here, like local niche marketing, and give the website link here, so it feels like that this is powered by your own software. Then there is a consent box for HIPAA. This is really useful when you're dealing with medical practices like chiropractors, medical centers. So they have to give their consent before submitting the information or their details. Then there is the messaging, the acknowledgement message. Your chat has ended. You can personalize it. Then there is a please rate your experience thing, feedback submission note, and then the acknowledgement icons. And if your users are not only the English speakers, for example, in US there are certain areas where there is a great population of Spanish users, so it will be great option to just add another language. So currently it actually supports only one language. So I was wrong, right? So you will just stick to English. If there are definitely a population that is not speaking English, then you can definitely select another language from here. So that was whole part in terms of customizing your web chat, and then how to set it up on your website or funnel. If you go under websites, and then click on the settings, and then here is the option where you can select the chatbot that you recently created, right? And click save. That chatbot will be saved, right? So we have created the chatbot. Now there comes the automation part. Let's just create that. So it will be from scratch. So always remember that it's also a reply channel just like any other channel. So the trigger will be used, customer replied, and add filters here, and reply channel is chat widget, right? And currently we just have a one chat widget, so let's use that one. And then you can specify by adding a tag like it came from a chat widget. You will then assign it to a user, um, okay, and then send an internal notification to, let's just use email. Selected user will be assigned user, subject will be a contact, a lead just messaged on chat widget, please respond ASAP. Here are the details. Again, here are the details. And then you can, call all the custom values here, like full name. And also if any custom field was used while that interaction, you can also call that. So once that is done, that is the internal thing that we have done, and then we will be creating our pipeline stage with the contact information. So test. It will be a contact field, opportunity name. It will be a contact full name, save action. That's it. So far so good, right? And then we will send an SMS to the lead. Hey, contact first name. We just got your message. Um, Currently, no one was available. If there is an emergency, you can call us or book your appointment right now. So what it does is that, we got your message. All right, great. And we also let them know that, there is no one available, but instead you can call us or book an appointment right now. Okay, save action. That's it. Simple, yet effective. Um, Now let's talk about the other thing. Like, let's just say you're using a conversational AI. I will create another full video on conversational AI, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want a full overview of conversational AI, their use cases, and scenarios that we can build using conversational AI. Now, let's just assume that you have a conversational AI enabled, and you want to use for live chat, right? So that our communication is going um, is going, and we are not sending this message out to the lead that currently no one is available to help you out, right? So, what we can do is once the customer replies, we will just type in here, add, and type in conversational AI. So it will give us this conversational AI, bot configurations. You can do bot configurations, what kind of personality you want, what kind of objectives that bot is going to cover, and then additional instructions. Well, this is all, this can be changed according to your business needs. But once the lead comes in, so how will it start the conversation? It will start the conversation by this question, like, what is the service are you interested in, right? And we can call it, we can give them options. For example, we are plumbing company, so pipe repair, things like that. So it makes sense, right? So once the customer replies, so this will be the first response they are getting, right? And timeout is just the bot waits for 1 hour before it's timed out, right? And channels, here is the important thing, right? You have to call a live chat here. So this will work on live chat. If you will give all these other channels, then you'll have to use not the live chat, but the all-in-one chat, right? Bot response limits are actually how many responses can a bot send? 5, 10, 15. Wait time. I mean, this is something like the bot waits before sending the response. So 10 seconds to 20 seconds is ideal. Or maybe you can give it more, and feel more humanized if you can give um, more time. So there are then two branches. Well, if no conditions are met, then use this branch, and if time's out, then you can follow up with the with certain SMSs like, hey, are you still interested, and things like that. So this is how you are going to use conversational AI if enabled inside your sub account. um, I hope you like this video. Keep supporting us, and if you want help with your advertising, Go High Level, ClickFunnels, Active Campaign, anything related to marketing, just contact us. Everything will be mentioned in the description of this video. Thank you.